And public outrage filled the air atmosphere in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State this Tuesday as residents woke up to disturbing scenes of the lifeless bodies of two newly born babies abandoned at different locations in the capital city. With the intervention of relevant authorities, the bodies were later evacuated and buried at the cemetery.
Wrapped in a masking torch in this carton is a lifeless male baby dumped at Igboja Junction along the Obaga Road in Abakaliki. Some sources who spoke to AIT off camera said the baby was dumped at midnight Monday by an identified man who came with a motorcycle. And by Tuesday morning, residents crowded the scene to have a sight at the corpse, with many expressing shock, anger, and disgust, while others rained curses on the perpetrators. Grace Chima is the chairperson of the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA Ebonyi State Chapter. She is among concerned persons who came to the scene to see things for themselves and find a way of evacuating the body.
If anybody is pregnant and you know that you cannot take care of pregnancy, there are so many ways women affairs can take care of you. There are so many ways, there are many NGOs that can take care of you. Instead of killing the child, we have motherless babies here in Abakaliki. You can dump the child there. You don't have the right to kill any human being.
Just as arrangements were being made to address this particular situation, news filtered in that yet another baby lifeless at the refuse dump around the popular Abacha roundabout near the demolished Abapa Market, Abakaliki. We moved over to that scene, to the disturbing sight of the corpse of a probably day-old male child, which was allegedly dumped by the mother overnight. Through the combined efforts of the police, the State Ministry of Women Affairs, and the FIDA, the deaths of the two babies were evacuated, buried at the Abakaliki cemetery amidst sober mood.
It is an unfortunate event that a human being will carry a baby for 9 months, and after 9 months, the only thing that will get to your mind is how to get that very baby destroyed in this manner.
The ministry frowned at this type of actions. If you know you have a child that will deliver out of wedlock and you felt you have no means of livelihood, come to the Ministry of Women Affairs and hand over that children.
When contacted, the police public relations officer in the state, the Lovett order, promised that the case will swing into action with a view to unmasking the perpetrators and make them answer to the crimes. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Abakaliki.